Welcome back to the Roadhouse. Do something a little different today. Got a pork tenderloin, probably about 2 pounds, 2.5, something like that. But what we're going to do today, I will be using my grill bump injection needle, and I found that on Amazon, y'all. .com. Anyway, and this is it here, all stainless steel O-rings. I'm using the big needle today because we're going to inject this tenderloin with some Leonard's Carolina barbecue sauce. I've been wanting to try that on the pork loin, and then we're going to season the outside with Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. So y'all go check out my boy Chris over at Leonard's Carolina barbecue.com. Nice people, him and Camille. And then y'all go check out Uncle Steve, man, at UncleSteve'sShake.com. Anyway, y'all come down here. Let's see if we can get this thing injected with some goodness. Just stick it in there, moving around a little bit, y'all. A couple of different spots, you know. Alright, gang, we finished getting this injected. That looks pretty darn good, y'all. Let's get some good shake put on this bad boy. Competition pig powder, man. I actually got the Oklahoma Joe out there ready to go. Alright, there we go. Well, look how pretty. Look at there. Look at there. Alright, guys. I'll meet y'all out by the grill. Oklahoma Joe is sitting on 325. I'm using a roll oak lump hardwood charcoal, and I've got 3 chunks of hickory in there. Oh yeah. Let's set this dude on here. There you go. What's that sound, baby? Alright. We're going to let it go for a while. Alright, guys, it's been about 30 minutes. Boy, that's looking good. Look at that. Look at that. We'll check back in about 30 more minutes. And we are about, an hour or so in. An hour and some change. Now it's looking nice. About 150, 52. We'll go ahead and pull this off. We're going to let it rest and see what kind of size Miss Carrie wants to do. So I'll meet y'all inside. Pork loin is resting. I'm going to tin it. It smells good, I'll tell you that. Miss Carrie's making some dirty rice or rice dressing. Down here in the South, we call it dirty rice. But anyway, that looks good, y'all. I can't wait to cut into this thing. Miss Carrie's doing other stuff, I got nominated to do the dirty rice. Pound of ground meat. Use what you like. I think it's probably 80-20, 90-10, whatever it is. And get that good and brown. Keep it simple. Hit it with a little salt and pepper. Get that nice and brown down. And get that did, and I'll see y'all here in just a minute. Alright, we got our ground meat brown, and if it's real fatty, I'll drain that stuff off of there. So what we're going to do now, we're using the Tony Satcher's Dirty Rice Dinner Mix. Just make it straight off the box, man. So now we're going to take 2 1/4 cups of cool water, and we're going to pour that junk in there like that. Crank the heat up on high because you got to bring it to a boil. And the seasoning package got your rice and herbs and onions and all that good stuff in there. Look at that, man. Ain't that pretty? Make sure you get it all. They might have a seasoning nugget down in the bottom of that. So. And you stir all this around real good. Look at that color, y'all. Dang. For box mix, this stuff is good. A lot of times we'll make it homemade. And probably some of my older videos, I do have some homemade dirty rice on there. Got a few cooks with my brother T-Roy, man. Alright, we got that did. We're going to bring this up to a ball. And then just like making rice, y'all, we're going to let it simmer 20-30 minutes. We'll be back to check on it. We're up to a good ball. Good rolling ball there. And I like to stir it just one more time. Y'all see all that goodness in there? It smells good. We're going to put that down on simmer. Put a lid on it. We'll be back. It's been, about 25-30 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Just fluff it up a little bit. Alright, cut that off. Put the lid back on, we'll let it sit. We'll be back, we're going to cut up some of this pork loin and see what we got. Let's cut it in the middle. Oh yeah, you see some of that. Let's get us a piece of this. There we go. Nothing wrong with that, y'all. Cheers to y'all. It's definitely in there, y'all. Holy smokes. Y'all, that's good. I could have put a little bit more in there, but man, I tell you what, it really carries out through the meat, y'all, and the hickory smoke I put on there. It's got a real nice flavor with Uncle Steve's Competition pig powder. Man, that is really good. Hell yeah. Did I say that? We're gonna try some of this store-bought rice dressing over here. Y'all come walk over here. So I'm about to shake it. Alright. And we did add some green onions to it. Simple recipe though, y'all. Check that out. Let's see how this stuff is. Fresh out the box. What do you think? Cheers. That's why Carrie buys that in a box. It's good, y'all. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna get plated up and I'll get y'all some pics and everything. And hope y'all had a fantastic weekend. And we're about to get the grub on. Appreciate all y'all stopping by the Roadhouse. We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.